All right, if your KitchenAid mixer all of a sudden stopped working, don't be alarmed. That's pretty normal. It's a safety feature if it overheats. So first thing I want you to do is unplug it and make sure it's unplugged for a good 30 minutes. They're a lot like those paper shredders that once they get overheated after you're shredding paper, it'll have a safety feature. So keep it unplugged for a good 30 minutes. Plug it back into the wall and see if it works. Now, if your kitchen, the outlet that it has, it might have a safety mechanism. There's like a little button here that you push in. And so go ahead and push that in if there is a reset button here, and then plug it back in and see if it works after 30 minutes. If it still doesn't work, try a different outlet. So this is what I'm talking about here, the safety feature, that if you press that on, and this one turns green, but a lot of times there'll be like a surge or something, it'll turn it off. Try a different outlet completely. You might even have to take it into another room, which is fine. And then try a different device on that outlet. It might have been something where the circuit breaker basically popped out. So what you have to do is go to your home to where the circuit board is, usually downstairs, and then see if there's anything that got tripped up. Turn it back on the circuit board in your home, turn it back on, and then it should be fine to go to work. But usually these KitchenAids, they last forever. Now some of them do have like a reset button, like a safety switch. So check around it and make sure that there's no off button that got switched, or there's like a little button that you could push in. And sometimes that will trip them up. All right. But they're awesome, awesome machines. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.